the glamorous, oh, the classic, classic. Hey guys, it's Amber from Saving Mamacita. Welcome back to my channel. We are super duper excited today because we got another Glossy box. For those of you that are into beauty boxes at a very affordable price, Glossybox is the answer for you. And this month, you guys, only if you're interested in trying out Glossybox, your first box, you can get it for $16. So I will leave my link down below for you to check out and redeem your discount. So super exciting moment for Glossybox. Get that discount. All right, so this is the September Glossybox edition, and we are going to unbox it right here, right now. So opening up the box, this time is simply a open up the top kind of box situation. And on the top, we have a lovely, lovely lady on a little brochure. And it looks like they have a very nice description area, which you all know I love. They have all of the items posted in here and a nice description of each item along with their values. So good job on that. Inside, they also have a item promoting their 2020 Advent calendar. 27 beauty products worth over $550. Yeah, I just said that. $550. And I am so excited, you guys, because I will actually be getting that box to unbox here for you as well. So stay tuned for that. So opening it up, it has the cute little pink paper with the black ribbon. Very pretty, very classy. I love that. Okay, so opening it up, look at all of those items, you guys. Super faboosh. Looks like we have a couple little packets. These are called These are called hot cocoa with reishi? I don't know how to say that. Treat yourself to a better bedtime with this vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, organic cocoa mix made with reishi mushroom. You'll experience a relaxing evening and a better night's rest. 2 packets worth $4. If you did a full box of these, you would get 10 packets worth $20. So you can check those out at Sigmatic.com. Interesting. Next, we have a Stress Check Clean Hands, no rinse formula. This works. This is a purifying hand gel, basically a hand sanitizer. And this has a value of $6. It is a travel size, 60 mLs, worth $6. If you were to get the full size bottle, that is a $15 value with a 250 mLs. And it also has a blend of lavender, chamomile, and neroli. Let me take a little smell here. Oh. Oh! Wow, yeah, that is strong. Definitely smells like a hand sanitizer, but with a hint of lavender. So, wow. Woo! I advise you, just take a little bit. A little bit goes a long ways. Next, we have a Terre Demars. I don't know. This is like a Reddition body cleanser. This is a full-size product. Look at this bad boy. So clean and nourish your skin while toning, protecting it at the same time. This organic, low-foaming, aromatic cleansing gel is suitable for all skin types, is infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee, rosemary extract, verbena oil, and aloe. This has a value of $23. So already with just this product, you are getting your value from your subscription payment. So, that is an interesting. That is an interesting smell. I kind of like that. I kind of like that bad boy. It's the coffee extract, I think, that's doing it for me. The aloe vera and verbena combination. So that is an interesting smell. Yeah. Next up in Glossybox is the Daily Hammam Mitt. This is lifestyle size. I don't know what that means, but okay. Opening it up, it looks like it is just like a basic mitt, hand mitt. I don't know. What does it say here? It's a cleansing and exfoliating body cloth made for your body. The mitt is a gentle exfoliator that detoxifies, rehydrates, and nourishes any dead skin cells back to life. Ooh, I like that. Wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off. Two more things left. We have a David's toothpaste. This is actually like a natural toothpaste. It says, freshen your breath with this premium sustainable toothpaste. Designed to naturally whiten, remove plaque, and freshen breath, David's is made with naturally sourced and naturally derived ingredients to elevate your health and oral care. Your teeth will be whiter in no time. So the deluxe mini is $4.95, while the full size is $9.95. Isn't this packaging so cute? I love that. It's really basic, but it is very classy looking. Ooh, David's toothpaste. I am excited to try this. I love whitening toothpaste. I have heard about David's before, so to actually be able to try it is going to be so much fun. One more thing left. It is called, oh, this is huge, Astanaxa Thin. Astanaxa Thin. I know I didn't pronounce that right. This is a collagen all-in-one gel. This is huge. Oh my gosh. This is like a full-size product. This has a value of $49 on this one. The lightweight and facial moisturizer tones, hydrates, and brightens skin in one step. It's powered by Astaxanthin, a natural antioxidant proven to be 6,000 times more effective than vitamin C and 550 times more powerful than vitamin E in eliminating free radicals that cause premature aging. Wow, $49 for this? Holy guacamole. Opening it up, let's take a little look. There's what it looks like. It looks really thick, actually. Let's try it. It goes on really nice. It's not as thick as it looks.
A few moments later.
So that concludes everything from the Glossybox September unboxing. Let's do a quick review and then we will do our thing. All right, so we've got the Astaxanthin Collagen full-size product, $49. We've got the David's whitening toothpaste, the Terre Demars body cleanser, a Stress Check Clean Hands from This Works. Basically, it is your hand sanitizer. And as the added bonus, we have the 2 packets of hot cocoa mix. And I can't forget our Mitt. So those are all of the things in this month's box, you guys. Not too bad. Not too freaking bad. Let's go ahead right now and rate that box. Are you guys ready? Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Okay, I gotta say, $21 for this particular box and the value, oh my goodness, the value of this box is well over $100. So you're definitely getting your value. When we rate the box, we rate on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation, which includes the packaging, all of that jazz, the description sheets, the way it's presented. We also rate based on the value of the items, the price point of the actual box itself per month, and we also rate based on the variety of the items. So I have to say, Glossybox pretty much nailed this one. I love all of the items in here. I definitely will be trying all of them. I'm very excited to try this. This was $49. Right there, you're getting your value and then some with this particular product in the box. Super awesome. These are definitely all products I will be trying for sure. I've been looking for a brand new body cleanser, so I'm really excited to try this one. And I've always been curious about David's, but I never actually took the plunge and purchased it. So being able to get a sample size of that in the box is super awesome. And yeah, I'm very happy with this one. So what do you guys think? What should we rate this box? Put your thinking caps on. Let's go ahead and rate the box. Drum roll, please. Glossybox, September 2021, you are gonna get a 7. Woo! Yeah! Glossybox, you just got yourself a 7. I really enjoyed this box. I think it's probably the best box that I've received from Glossybox so far. I'm really excited to see what they have in store for next month. And yeah, super excited. What was your favorite item in the box, you guys? Let me know down in the comment section below. And then also be sure to hit that like button, subscribe button, notification bell, and all that jazz. And we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.